time it is. Y'all already know what to do. I'm talking loud because the fan is on. I could turn it off, but I'm hot. Hold on. Let me turn the fan off. Let me turn it off. Hopefully I don't wake up a sweat. Let me turn the ceiling fan, babe, because So, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all, I got my good watermelon. I don't want it to get hot. So, I told you guys that I was going to give you guys a, I guess, school clothes try-on haul or whatever. If you guys didn't know, if you guys didn't watch my life update, go ahead and watch that right now. Yeah. So if you didn't watch my life update or whatever, if you didn't know that, you know, I'm going to this program, I'm going to this school class program. I'm going to be in there for a couple of weeks or whatever. And yeah, I'm going to have to wear scrubs. I'm going to have to wear a uniform. I did give me a notebook, some pens, and a highlighter, some highlighters, whatever. But my friend did tell me that basically I am going to get some textbooks and supplies from the program. So we're going to see, like, you know, what they give me and stuff like that right there on the first day. And I'm going to show you guys. I'm basically going to, you know, get ready with you guys my first day of class. It's actually next Monday. It's dwindling down, y'all. I'm excited. I have to actually print my parking pass. We could do that as well while I'm on with you guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I already got a couple of pair of scrubs. I think I'm going to need some more. But this is all I have for right now, and I'm just going to show you guys basically what I have. So first things first, I'm going to try on the scrub shirts. So I have two whole outfits, and then I have two shirts. And I'm probably going to get like 2 or 3 more whole outfits because I am going to have to wear these scrubs. The reason why I'm getting these scrubs because I am going to have to wear these scrubs to work. But when I get the job or whatever, but I don't know what color I'm going to have to wear, if I'm going to have to wear a specific color at the office, wherever I'm going to be working at the, you know, I don't want to be working at a hospital, honestly, but any job, I'm going to take it. I ain't even going to lie. Any job, I'm going to take it. So, also, guys, at the end of this video, we're going to be talking about me job hunting and stuff like that right there. So we're gonna do the parking pass, and then we're gonna talk about my job hunting after I try my scrubs. You guys can see me in my scrubs. Yeah. And y'all, this is like a big milestone for me because if you didn't know, I dropped out of school in 2020 because I couldn't, first of all, I couldn't afford it really, and I was still paying for it. I had to start paying for it out of pocket because I lost my scholarships. I had 2 or 3 scholarships with, like, you know, a full ride to school. After my first couple of semesters, my GPA kind of dropped because I had to work full time. I had a young, you know, child at the time. My son was like, I think 3 or 4, and it was just a lot on me. You know, I didn't have no child care at the time. I had to pay for this, pay for that, and I had to go to school full time. It was just a lot. So what I'm doing now is like basically it's going to be 1 foot in the door in the healthcare field. I've been seeing a lot of people saying, like, oh, don't do the healthcare field. I've been seeing on TikTok, like, people saying, oh, get out the healthcare field and go get, like, a blue collar job, like the jobs where you do, you know, mostly hard labor, work with your hands and stuff like that right there. I'm gonna figure it out. I don't have so many lives at this point. I don't work so many places. I got so much experience in different areas. I like trying different things. Who knows? Maybe later on down the line I might start doing that. But I am getting older, so I do want to start a career. So this is like the first step of me doing that. Who knows? I might like it. And if I do like it, I'm gonna try to advance myself and get more education, get more certificates, get more certifications. I'm trying to find like a loophole around going to college and doing 4, 5, 6 years. So I'm gonna try to do that, and hopefully my experience that I'm gonna get, like working this job, doing phlebotomy and doing mobile phlebotomy, hopefully I could try to do like patient care on the weekends and stuff like that right there, because I'm already doing patient care kind of, because I've been for the last couple weeks this whole summer, really, I've been helping my grandmother, which is, I've been helping her all my life. So I know how to take care of an old person because I've been doing it basically all my life, but taking care of my grandma because she's basically bedridden. She has rheumatoid arthritis, and she can't even walk. She can't even barely like pick up a spoon. Like, it's so bad. Like, she can't even pick up a plate, a spoon. She barely can feed herself. She barely can stretch out her arms or her legs and stuff. You know, it's progressing. Because I see her weight is dropping, which is like really so concerning to me. But hopefully, you know, it just, she still got her right mind. Like, she is sharp, guys. But like, anyway, enough of that. But I've been working with her, you know, more since I haven't been working and stuff. And I was just like, you know what, I could probably do patient care, but I could, you know, do patient care with my grandmother. But I want to try to get paid while doing it. Not saying I want to get paid to take care of my grandma. It's like I want to get it to count towards something, you know what I'm saying? So I want it on paper so I can be like, oh, I got this experience from this and da da da. If y'all get what I'm saying? Okay, cool. So let's try on my shirts. I feel like I don't have to take off my tank top to put these shirts on, but we're gonna see. So this is my first shirt. This is a gray one. I actually thought this one had like the pants to it. It is kind of tight to put on over my head, as you guys can see, or whatever. It is so cute. It is so cute. So it got the little pockets. Yeah, it doesn't have a pocket at the top, but it just has like two pockets on the, oh, it got another pocket with a zipper. Okay, cool. So yeah, I might just wear, I gotta find some bottoms to wear with these. Probably like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I might just rotate my bottoms from my other ones, or I might just go get some black pairs of scrub pants or something like that right there. I didn't think this through, honestly. I didn't think this through. I'm gonna try to get some more before I go. I have like 5-6 days. So yeah, this is the shirt. It's really cute. It's not that tight or whatever. It was kind of tight to get on, but yeah, let's try it on the blue one. Let me see how I can take this off. I don't want to get, I don't want to get all this deodorant on it either, because I have on deodorant. I had just got out of the shower not too long ago. But yeah, y'all excited. But you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm doing everything I said I was gonna do. It's like, if y'all been looking at my videos for a long time, if y'all been tapped in for real, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know, like, I've been talking about making moves, making changes, being unhappy and stuff like that right there with my job, all this extra. Ooh, this tag eating me up, eating me, and I'm like this one because it's kind of flared and it's giving hospital feel, and I love how deep and big the pockets are. You get what I'm saying? These only have 2 pockets, no top pocket. It's cute or whatever. I gotta figure out. I just realized this, bro. I have to go get some more scrub pants. I have to just get some more. I have to probably just get a black pair, and yeah, because I have to go 4 days a week. So I at least need 4 whole uniforms, at least. So now we're gonna try on this is like an olive green, and all of these are large. These have different brands. So these are actually different brands. This is, I don't even know what brand this is. I don't even know how to say it, but it starts with a D. Degassi, something like that. And what brand is this one? This one is Hanes. The gray one was Hanes, which is actually nice. See, the deodorant gonna get on the inside of it. That's what I'm saying. I don't like this for me. I forgot what this one was. It says made in Pakistan. I think this is, what is, oh yeah, this is from New York Threads. New York Threads is from this one, and this is from Degassi. Okay, cool. And no, this is not sponsored. This is not sponsored whatsoever, babe. Not sponsored at all. Okay, this one is kind of tight too to put on, but it's still like, you know, gets on or whatever. So now we're finna put on the bottoms. The bottoms, and I love these because it gives, like, you know, joggers. It give a jogger feel, and you know what I'm saying, they not too baggy, not too tight. So this is what the pants look like. They have pockets. They have pockets on the side too. Boom, 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 boom. It has that elastic band in the back, yeah, and it has a pocket in the back. Drawstring, period. And here's the top. The top actually has 2 pockets and at the bottom and 1 pocket at the top, and I love it. It's like comfortable. It's not too tight. I can bend, ooh, babe, hey, wah, wah, wah. So yeah, this is this one. I love it. White toast butter. Period. Yeah. Let me eat some of my watermelon. I keep forgetting about my watermelon. Like, what's going on? All right. All right. Woo. Shimmy, 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 yang, shimmy, yo. Okay, I love the olive. I love. So the last one is like a turquoise. You know that? I think this is from Cozy Fit or something. I don't know for sure, but I got different scrubs from different brands. They all fit different. Oh, this kind of tight too. It's just my shoulders. It's my shoulders. Okay, so boom. Now we finna put on the pants. As you guys can see, the pants are kind of like a jogger fit too, but the bottoms are actually tight. So these are like joggers for real. Ooh, my toe getting cold. Woo. All right, there we go. These are comfortable too. Got pockets on the side. Boom, got 1 pocket with a zipper. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Hey, yay. 2 pockets on the butt. Boom, boom, kaboom. 2 pockets here, 1 pocket here. So cute, so cute. I love this one as well. These pants are kind of tight in the crotch area, but it's cool or whatever. So I'm gonna rock out with my gout. And yeah, period. Yeah, pose, 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 pose. All right, so yeah, that is it for my scrubs, guys. That is it for my scrubs. I'm gonna fold them up actually, so they won't get too wrinkled. You know what I'm saying? For me trying it on and stuff like that right there, me throwing it around. Ugh. I can't be sweating in these, and I ain't even wear it yet. I ain't wear it yet. So I decided right now that I'm gonna try to get at least 2 more pair of pants or 2 more pair of scrubs as a whole. Like, okay, so these are my fave, but they kind of tight. So now I don't want to get an extra large because I don't want the shirts to be looking like a dress. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, boom, bam, wham, wham, boom, bam, wham, wham. All right, so now y'all, we finna go print out my parking pass. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the notebook I got. Is it finna rain? Oh, I need to go check the weather. Oh. Oh, woo. There we go. Hot. All right. All right, so I got this 5-star 1 subject notebook. I got these pack of highlighters, and I got some pens. So hopefully I can use this. And actually, guys, y'all know what my book bag gonna be. My book bag is probably gonna be one of my purses, whichever one I feel like wearing today. So the first day I'm probably gonna wear this purse. It's big enough. I can actually put my toes to use. So I got a Coach one, I got a Michael Kors. I got plenty of toes that I could wear, and I got plenty of, like, you know what I'm saying, I got a book bag. So yeah, simple. I already got all that. And the shoes I'm probably gonna wear, I'm probably gonna wear some comfortable shoes. I have some New Balances I can wear. I have some Aces, and yeah, they said no open toe shoes, so I already got that, period. So now let's print out my parking poles. My parking poles. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I have to get my food. I have to move all these packages over. Honestly, I'm supposed to be going through all these packages. I might do this later on. I'm overstimulated right now. I'm overstimulated. parking pass. Let's see if I can print it on my label printer. Let's see if I could do that really quickly. Where is the parking pass? Let me see if I can pull it up really quickly. So I have to go to the school portal to pull up the parking pass. Oh, there it is. I think I got it. Oh my gosh, I have to log in again. Okay, so boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so boom, I already got the parking pass. And I'm just gonna airdrop it to my computer. And then I'm gonna print it out. There we go. There we go. There we go. Why is it so big? Let me see. File, print. Let's see how I can print it. Let's see. Ooh, scale to fit. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna print it. Let's see how it looks when it prints. Perfect. Oh my gosh, it looks perfect. It looks perfect. Look. Don't it look perfect? Okay, so boom. Actually, I'm gonna print another one just in case I lose this one, but I'm gonna put this in my car in the windshield, and yeah, I'm just gonna print two just in case. So now we have my 2 parking passes. Yay. I'm gonna sit them right here on my desk and stuff like that right there. And then yeah, I forgot what else were we supposed to be talking about. What were we supposed to be talking about, y'all? What are we talking about? Oh yeah, so basically y'all, oh yeah, we supposed to be looking for some jobs. So basically y'all, I don't know what job I'm trying to really look for. I'm just gonna go on Indeed. I'm just gonna go on Indeed and see what I can find. If you guys have any, you know, suggestions of where I could apply in Atlanta, Georgia, you know, yeah. So if you guys have any suggestions for any jobs, just let me know, or where I can find a job, where I can like look for a job, what apps, you know, and stuff like that right there. So yeah, that is basically it. I'm probably gonna go ahead and Indeed. My friend was just like, oh, I need to try to get into LabCorp. That's one. They got mobile phlebotomy. They got, I see some right here. But it's not that many. But if I have to travel, I'm willing to travel or whatever. So yeah, there's that. Like y'all, I'm excited. Oh my god. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. That's the end of this video. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.